Hi YouTube, I'm going to show you how to put customized ringtones and stuff that you recorded on your text messages as a ringtone. First you want to do, like for example, I have this already recorded. So what you want to do is go to media, press the menu button, go to Explorer, device memory, home, user, and go down to voice notes, menu button on where you recorded, click move and up and go down to your ringtones. Then you move it there. So when that is moved, it will be as your SMS ringtone. Like it would be wherever you put it at. Like it is right here for mine. As your SMS ringtone. Thank you for watching.